Unfortunately, Tanya did a couple of times come and tell you that. Not in the way that she usually does, but
Yeah.
I think she did say, but I think you were not convinced.
Yeah, because Tanya has always been the kind to exaggerate things and all of that stuff. And honestly, I thought that, she's just dramatizing things and she's just acting like she's always been acting. And मैंने weekend पे भी ये बोला कि मुझे सच में लगा वो ड्रामा कर रही है. And even सलमान सर said कि हाँ ठीक है, इंटेंशनल नहीं था या फिर भी आप एक बार चले जाते वो कर लेते. तो my only point being, अगर मैं छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों पे जाके लोगों को कंसोल कर सकती हूँ, I can be there for people. अगर मेरे वजह से किसी को अनइंटेंशनली लगी भी है, I would be the first person to go and say sorry.
But after the weekend, you went and told her, I am sorry. I know.
Yes.
आपने comments देखे होंगे. कुछ लोगों को फिर भी लगता है कि आपने खुद को बचाने के लिए और because violence was such a rule आपने वो किया. But I get the opportunity to ask you. You are obvious now when you heard that, were you really sorry for what happened?
Of course. In fact, उसको genuinely लगी, वो मुझे weekend पे ही पता चला. I did not know that before it. And even though it was not intentional again, and I still stand by it, but unintentionally be if she got hurt because of me, I don't feel good about it. I feel bad that because of me she did get hurt.
Ashnur, I saw the post. I think you must be there inside. आपकी टीम में उन्होंने post किया था कि एक context गलत है when you came out. I saw that post on
Yes.
your account. Would you want to elaborate on that? कि अगर मतलब किसी चीज़ का context ना देखे बिना अगर वो करना, and I think आपके पिताजी भी, he's been sharing a lot of edits, right?
Yes.
Where they are saying there is an unfair eviction and they are sharing other visuals. You want to talk about that a little bit? कि आपको भी लगता है, आपको भी similar feelings है इसके बारे में about, I mean of course, जैसे सलमान ने कहा था अंदर बाहर जब आप आते हो, there were a lot of tweets saying that कोई action लो. पर अभी आपकी तरफ से भी जो फैंस हैं उन्होंने भी काफ़ी सारे एडिट्स डाले हैं, क्लिप्स डाले हैं दूसरों के, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें क्वेश्चन हो रही है. तो मुझे आपके व्यू पॉइंट्स चाहिए उनमें.
See, बाहर आके yes, I'm seeing a lot of people saying it was unfair and all of that stuff. And inside I have never watched Big Boss, so I don't know कि physical violence किस level तक लोगों ने की है पास में. अभी I'm seeing the clips. जहाँ तक रही मेरी बात, the plank was very heavy. That was on my shoulders and my shoulders were sore. And of course, हम मेरे और तान्या के बीच में काफ़ी arguments हुए थे उससे पहले. And I don't like her since day one. Neither does she like me. And that's very clear to the audience and I've been very clear about that. तो मैंने उस disappointment में, rage में वो plank निकाला. Because of course my shoulders were sore, it was very heavy. मुझे task ख़त्म हो गया था, उसके बाद मैंने निकाला. The round was over. उसके बाद I removed it. And then वो ऐसे डिपिक्ट करना कि अरे उसने मुझे मारा है ऐसे. If you see starting के वीडियो में I'm standing like this because it was heavy on my shoulders and मेरी आंखें भी नीचे हैं. I do not know where she standing. क्योंकि राउंड खत्म होने के बाद obviously you divert, you go elsewhere, you do not get closer to the person. That's what I'm saying कि वो intentional नहीं था and plank was heavy. I just removed it. जहाँ तक रही physical violence की बात, मैं अभी clips देख रही हूँ and obviously mom's upset, dad's upset, mom's been watching the show, तो उनको तो और ज़्यादा लग रहा है, fans भी rage में हैं. But what's happened has happened.